Alright, welcome to episode 3 of Notebook November. My striped shirt had to be washed, so it's currently in the washer now, but today, as I said striped, it's another Steve variation. This time, it is the Nature Notebook. Now, this was in season 3, I think it was 17, where Steve played Blue's Clues on the outdoors. They used this as the variation. As you can see, it is made out of plywood, and the stakes are real. And this is an actual twig crayon. I got this one from Spoon, aka Writing Utensil. And to be honest, I'm still surprised on how this turned out, especially the twig crayon, because it is made of an actual stick. Like, yeah, an actual stick. So here's the front, here's the back, and the sounds. So yeah, that is episode 3 of Notebook November, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.